guys, it's PatrickStarrr. Welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a day in my life vlog. I am going to the red carpet for the Little Mermaid premiere. Oh my gosh, like, you know, with all the leaks on social media happening, was that me or was that Whitney Houston?
Was it just me or was that with Whitney Houston?
Today, I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to do to prep, to get ready, everything. It's been a while. The last time I did a full-on beautiful get ready with me day in the life was the Lion King vlog when I went to the Lion King premiere. So I kind of wanted to have that kind of style where I document my day and everything, as you guys just saw in the montage. It's just fabulous. Today's just fabulous. I saw a peek of the red carpet on TikTok, and it's actually a blue carpet, and it's going to be, I believe, at the Dolby Theater in Hollywood. I am a huge fan of Halle Bailey, and I have nothing but the best energy for the whole cast and the whole film. I grew up with the film. So anyways, I just went to the gym. I killed the workout. I go to the gym Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 8 a.m. every week, and I've just been trying to get my fitness. For me, I feel like I've hit a plateau in my weight loss journey, and it's not going down. And I realized the way that I've been losing weight in the past year was just fasting. But now that I am building muscle, because of my fasting, I wasn't losing any more weight because the muscle needed like fat and food to like maintain itself. So I'm realizing at this point in my weight loss journey, I have to eat. It's just such a bitch. It's such a long journey to lose weight. So far, I have lost around 60 pounds. So I'm proud of that. You guys have noticed my skin is just glowing, and I don't want to bore you guys with this long ass intro, but let's run home, jump in the shower, and let's get ready for the red carpet. All right, guys, we are in the studio getting ready. When I tell you, I just spent the last like 2 hours shaving my whole body because my dress is short, which I'm gonna show you guys in a second. Oh my god, it's like it was like a whole nother workout. I had to have Peter helping me. For years, Peter has been helping me shave in places that I cannot reach or see, just because you never know when you're at an event and someone is just gonna be like, hey, and then like, oh, let me show you guys something. Look at what I have right here in the studio. I have my little esthetician setup. How cute. I ran out of tissue paper, so I used toilet paper on Peter. But I have this beautiful new glow-nar machine, which is kind of like a hydrodermabrasion. There's radio frequency, microderm. It's a mess right now just because I was doing Peter and a little bit of Paul yesterday. And then over here is where I normally film. Over here is kind of where we're kind of filming. If you guys don't remember, we used to film Say Yes to the Guest, my podcast. We did about 3 seasons. So if you guys want to check out Say Yes to the Guest, it's another YouTube channel with all these interviews with influencers that you know and love. I have to get ready because I want to do a video and some TikToks doing Peter's makeup for the red carpet too, because they're also walking the red carpet. And also Paul's here. If you guys didn't know, this is Paul, my youngest brother. There's Patrick, there's Peter, and then there's Paul. And Paul just joined the team. Oh, sneak peek of the outfits. Let's show the kids. Do you guys see how nicely Peter's outfit is hung and then Paul's outfit is hung right here? Look at where mine is. My outfit's in a wagon, okay? This is the custom gown that I had made, and it's in a freaking wagon. Look at these shoes. I had these shoes already. I don't know if you could tell, but they were like a neon green, and they were covered by my friend Perry, and he put like little jewels and rhinestones in them, and he put little tentacles on the back with rhinestones in it. How cute is this? These are so freaking gorgeous. I just asked him to cover them in purple to match the dress, but he literally added like the most. So shout out to Perry Meek on these shoes. Perry also did the dress. If you guys didn't know, I literally just have a Pinterest private board of like save things that I just pin, and I just ask artists and seamstresses to make for me. So this is the dress, and Perry just told me, he goes, I can do these beautiful like structural shoulders, so he added one for me. It's so gorgeous with these iridescent like star stones on it, and there's some rhinestones on the inside hidden there. I also thought that Peter and Paul should also be in purple as well.
I'm wearing this white tank top with this deep purple vinyl pants.
It's vegan. Where did you get it? This was from ASOS at Nordstrom. Where did you get this?
Also at Nordstrom.
Also at Nordstrom. Peter, go show your outfit. Oh my god, Peter gagged us with this outfit. Let me show you guys.
Alrighty, so I have this top, very deep purple, and then I also have, I'm gonna be wearing these overalls on the bottom of it. So
Underneath.
underneath,
Because it looks cool like that, but he's gonna rock overalls. And tell them how much this shirt cost.
This costs a lot of money.
This shirt he's gonna return, so he bought it at
We're
this
not gonna
brand.
return it. What?
It was like almost $500 for this shirt. Peter almost wore this mermaid outfit.
This is an outfit that I wore like years ago. I don't even remember what I wore it for. I just bought it because it was on ASOS.
It looks like Ariel's tail.
Kind of, yeah.
I feel like someone is gonna wear that. So before we get into the video, we just have to eat because that's the one thing about going to events, not just movie premieres, just events, concerts, parties, anything. You get so hyped and like getting ready and like feeling everything, we forget to eat. We know that walking the red carpet, watching the movie, it probably won't be till 9 p.m. until we eat. So our car comes at 4. It's 1 o'clock right now, and me and Peter have been through this so many times, we have to eat before. So what do we have? We have California Chicken Cafe. I'm drooling right now. I got a wrap. Paul also got a wrap as well. We also have a broccoli pasta salad. This is so good. And I got a soup. So hopefully it's early enough so I can fit in this dress before taking it to the premiere with me. You know what I mean? What? It's just a mukbang. What are we eating? Oh, this is so good. I got the light pita, chicken and tomato. Because I have my big turban, I always pack a wig to movie premieres so I don't block anybody. So the wig that I have is drying outside in the patio right now. Jose's gonna come help me style it. There is nothing like doing your makeup on a decent full stomach. Speaking of full stomach, look who's here. Hello. I'm filming a day in my life. Introduce yourself. Oh, she said showing off the legs.
Hi,
No introduction.
my name is Jose. That's it.
He's been working with us for how long?
1.5 years.
1.5 years, yep. He's been here, yep. And he does drag, so he's our local drag queen.
It's Queen Latina.
Our Pomona queen. Do you guys like when I film here, like my makeup? I'm gonna jump to these cameras. All right, guys, I wanna ask you, do you guys like that I'm switching from like my iPhone camera to this? I don't know, I just feel like you guys can get a better view of like my makeup really, really up close. And also the iPhone gives like the real. So for the eyes, I'm gonna go ahead and take the Certified Eyeshadow Palette. I'm obsessed with this brand. I'm gonna take this transition purple over here and this very, very cool blue based purple as well. You know what is so funny? I was thinking about the last time I went to a red carpet because you guys know I was in school since September. So I said no events, no red carpets, no nothing. And so I can concentrate on graduating. And the thing was, the last carpet that I went to in December was Enchanted. And I was like, oh, what makeup should I do for the red carpet for this Disney red carpet? And I was like, oh, I'm gonna do I think purple because it's giving like Ursula. And then I remember the Enchanted one, I literally wore a blue lid and then a purple crease. And I was like, damn it, this is why we can't have nice things. I think when I put this particular like cool purple on my eye, that's when I think I unlocked my obsession with purple. I will say, if you guys are watching my makeup and you're new to this channel, just know that my makeup looks so freaking bad. Sometimes I question myself when I'm doing my makeup and I'm like, yeah, I should stop. I should just stop this whole career. It's just not giving. And I question how people watch me for so many years. But just know that my makeup process is always gonna look a little bit janky until the very end. All right, so this is where the magic comes in. I'm gonna take this purple on the outer corner. I have been doing my placement a little bit outside my eye because when you think about like flattering the face, you want like the eyes to be bold and then it kind of like helps the cheekbones go like this. So I've been making my eyes just like a little bit more elongated by putting the darker shadow out. So then that way my face, because it's very round, looks more triangular. See, this is what I mean. My makeup is by no, oh my God, I should really start over. We're gonna keep going. We're gonna make this work. It's not the formula. I think it's just my technique. Okay, so I'm gonna take of the Huda Beauty palette. I'm gonna take this purple right here. This is the lilac palette and apply this on the lid. I decided today for the first time, I know, what a day to experiment, right? I'm gonna take my Sally Hansen airbrush leg makeup in the shade Medium Glow. Hear me out. I'm gonna do my body first and then match my face to that. Ooh. I shouldn't do it in front of the couch, huh? And I like to take a brush like this. I'll do the rest of my body later, but I like to just bring it all the way. Guys, what a difference. This looks so gorgeous in terms of like a color for me, especially when there's like flash photography. And now I can do my foundation. You know what? But I'm gonna go ahead and zoom through this makeup look. Concealer, cream contour, blush, powder, setting powder. We're trying to go for that pink under eye. And then finishing the face with powder bronzers, powder blush, a beautiful lip, lashes, and some pearls on the eye. Guys, I am giving glamorous Ursula realness with these half magic pearls. I literally got lost in my makeup. I'm in love with it. I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bit of Peter's makeup. Really light boy glam. He didn't want that Ursula drag queen glam, so not this red carpet, but maybe the next one. I mixed a few just glowy products for him, and I've been doing facials on Peter, so his skin wouldn't be so dry. I think when it comes to makeup, for me, it's like all about getting the skin flat. All right, guys, so we are on the car. We're gonna actually go to Walgreens because I ran out of body makeup and my whole back and the back of my legs are all exposed. So we ran out. We're gonna go there, go get it, and then hopefully spray my whole body on this vehicle. I brought a towel so I don't get any of the furniture messed up, but that's what we're gonna do. Kids, don't try this at home. POV of what it looks like. The AC's blasting. And I hope the dress fits. I don't know if I should have had all that food earlier. All right, everyone, this is the finished look. We managed to get the body all one shade. We got the dress on in this moving vehicle. Got the jewelry, glued some earrings, wiped off the nails because there was look at this, there is foundation under this. I'm gonna go ahead and jump off the bus, run to the carpet. Hopefully they're still taking pictures and we can't wait to see the movie. We'll let you know our thoughts.
One thing Mother PatrickStarrr gonna do is eat the girls up. Literally. Give it to them, serving life and nothing else.
It's Disney, babe.
Period!
We're going to the carpet now. I'm so excited. I should have brought sunglasses. Guys, we are here on the red carpet. We made it. It is blazing hot, and this fabric literally is like plastic, so it was slipping off my head. So I had Peter run to the McDonald's cart right there, and we shoved a bunch of napkins to prevent it from slipping. And guys, I think we saved it. So makeup is on, we're on fleek, and I love that we're wearing purple on the blue. It looks so good. Alright guys, we're about to watch the movie. What do you think about your first world premiere? Because Paul went and it was a Disney Plus premiere, but this is a world premiere.
This is crazy. It's so exciting and so fun, but it's so nice, you know, seeing everybody.
It's crazy, you guys. Like seeing old faces like Desi Perkins. What? I love Steven. All the influencers, everyone's here. Melissa McCarthy. Guys, I just did the fiercest wig change in the restroom. I'm gonna wear this at the after party, but I don't want to wear the turban to block little kids behind me. So, and it's a lot more comfortable because this thing is tight and heavy, but still gorgeous. So let's go in and watch the movie.
I love that you just did that. But the turnaround was so quick.
Listen, she don't believe me that I had a mother freaking wig because I ain't trying no block.
I didn't believe you. I didn't say I didn't believe you. I just said the transformation, honey. Quick. Oh, thank you.
Founders be like,
Thank you.
oh my god! Wow. Look guys, we are getting Happy Meals with McDonald's.
You look gorgeous. Enjoy it.
So cool because we're here. Oh, look who it is! I'm sorry guys, Hollywood stars just be interrupting us. But anyways, congratulations on the baby!
What just happened? Who did you just meet?
We met Ariel's sister. Chloe Bailey, oh my god. And then I asked her for a selfie. She knows what's up with the siblings. If she's going in there, that means her sister's going in. So let's go.
Okay, then we all have to meet up.
2 seconds later.
Guys, I'm on the bus and my turban's off and my team got me a little jumpsuit and I remembered I had my wig, so we're in good company and we met Jodie Benson, but I want to recap more about the movie and everything when we get home and take off my makeup with Peter and Paul. We are home and I need Paul to help me take off my pearls. Do you have to be so aggressive, Peter? Feels like those monkeys that take the lint off each other or the little bugs. Nah, my bottom lashes.
Your bottom lashes? Oh, I don't know how to get those.
So this is what it's really like at the red carpet days. You know what made it so fun was being with my brothers today.
Wow.
Actually, okay.
Not me entering my makeup era.
So this is the end of the night. What do we think of The Little Mermaid, the movie?
It was beautiful. It was very beautiful.
Hallie was amazing. I can't believe the whole cast was there. On May 26th, go see The Little Mermaid.
You should watch it in theaters for sure.
We should watch it in theaters, huh?
Oh, my food's here. I have my Happy Meal. What is it?
Oh my gosh, should we even talk about it? Guess Peter, tell them who we met. Peter, Paul, tell them who we met tonight.
Oh yeah, we met Little Jodie Benson.
Jodie.
The original.
All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this day in the life vlog of us getting ready. It was pretty chill. All the above. If you guys want to see more videos like this with Patrick,
Beta, and Paul,
then click that subscribe button down below. We love you guys so much. Don't forget, makeup is a one size fits all. And we hope to see you all in our next video. Bye.
Bye.